Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 9, the medical record. So there's going to be some differences, of course, in this chapter because we're talking about HIPAA and all the privacy aspects of the medical record. There was a big change, right, from paper to electronic records a while back, and this happened due to the fact that the federal government came down and said that we needed to have everything electronic so it can be transferred, and it was better for patient care. And it was really challenging for a lot of hospitals at the beginning, but as time went on, things got easier and systems began to develop. And now you have big companies like Cerner and Epic that really create, I think, a paradigm for medical records across the nation. So really important time, I think, for our history in healthcare, but also really important time for the transition of medical care to be documented on the computer instead of paper. Most of it's saved to the cloud too, right, rather than just internal drives, and that's another thing that I think really helps on the safety aspect of security. Healthcare transitioned into this Medicare merit-based incentive payment plan, which really said on the right side here where Medicare EHR incentive program is. If you don't have an EHR, electronic health record, then Medicare is not going to reimburse you for services. So moving into that paradigm, I think, was helpful. I'll save this website so you can take a look at it on our course content, but there's a lot of information that's also discussed in the video, which will be, of course, in the course content as well. We look at Chapter 9, the medical record. Make sure you take your time in reading the material. Watch the video here. It's about 15 minutes long. Do the lecture question, of course, which is the normal thing. Initial post due by Thursday, reply due by Sunday, and then also make sure that you're doing your Chapter 9 review questions. So I actually need to look at the way you guys are going to see it. It'll look like this. Lots of the links in here are really important to understanding what an electronic health record is versus electronic medical record. Make sure you take a look at that. And then also look at the notes in this meaningful use link that I sent over that talks about the Medicare or merit-based incentive plan. So if you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. I appreciate everything that you're doing, and also really great job on your paper. You did a great job there, and I think you're doing a great job on other things as well. Reach out if you need anything. Here to help in any way. Thanks so much.